Tempest, the sixth-generation fighter jet that will have the super stealth ability, like what? British Defence Secretary Ben Wallace at Farnborough confirmed that the Tempest would fly within the next 5 years. As is known, the Tempest is a sixth-generation fighter jet project from the UK. Wallace emphasised that the project actually demonstrated the benefits of multi-country collaboration. The design and development of the aircraft was also an important milestone. Where this will be a milestone for the success of the talents of engineers in developing leading-edge technology. This program will continue to attract opportunities for even more great minds and talent from across the UK, Wallace said. In this case, there are 4 countries that are members, namely England, Italy, Sweden, and Japan. The 4 countries teamed up for the Tempest FCAS. So, what is the purpose of Tempest being formed? This jet is expected to have super stealth capabilities. This means software that can support different types of missions, the pilot's ability to select different types of weapons and sensors, and fuel capabilities for various needs. Following the recently upgraded system, Loyal Wingman, the aircraft is also expected to be operated in manned or unmanned mode. Not only that, this jet engine will also provide high maneuverability on the aircraft. It does this with more power, more space, and an excellent payload. Finally, a maximum thrust-to-weight ratio is required. On the other hand, the new cooling system will reduce the plane's heat signature, allowing it to hide better. Work on the technology demonstrator is underway at the BAE Systems facility near Preston, Northern England. Other UK contractors include Leonardo UK and MBDA UK. The programme will employ 2,500 people in the UK and Scotland, with 1,300 employed by 2023. In addition, this project is also a sign that Japan is for the first time a military partner with a country other than the US. Reporting from Bulgarian military, the Tempest and FX fighter jet projects ended up merging. This is based on an agreement between the UK and Japan on each country's fighter jet program. It will also be the first major collaboration between Tokyo and London. This is a project that will cost tens of billions of dollars, divided equally between Japan and the UK, the Bulgarian military quoted him as saying. As is well known, the Japanese FX program is managed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries (MHI), while the British Tempest program is managed by BAE Systems. Last year, the UK and Japan did collaborate on the development of several Tempest components. This is what makes the two interconnected in operating the new sixth-generation fighter jet.